friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel.
Okay, today we are going to unbox one table called study table. It is for my daughter Mickey, and she will unbox it. Let's do it. Wow, 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 wow! It's very nice, and see the table. I am showing it in the close.
This is Brian.
Wow. Oh, one drawer is also available there. Wow. Wow. It's very nice. Put table in the stand. Oh, what is that?
Water bottle.
Oh, placing water bottle and something like a snacks box, etc. Wow. It's very nice. And what is that?
Phone or tablet.
Okay, wow. Let's open the leg and put. Wow, very nice. And put it in the floor. I will show. Wow, it's very nice. Looking very good, and it's a gift to my daughter Mickey. Her nickname is Mickey. Her real name is Tasia Marlin. Wow. Okay. Let's see in the next unboxing video. Bye.